Thank you for that, and for showing us that. Well, one of the people who witnessed the shooting was City County Councillor for 18th District, Lakeisha Jackson. Jackson was also hurt but not shot during that incident. She released a statement today saying, quote, "I witnessed a criminal act while shopping in my community. While I'm deeply disturbed by the actions of the individuals who put the lives of our neighbors in jeopardy, I remain focused on working with public safety and our community to stop this kind of senseless violence," end quote. Now to a developing story.